What up guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I got something that I'm doing on this 2013 Audi A6. Now I got a situation going on here. We got some damages on this quarter panel and some on the door, right? So what we're gonna do is just remove the door, take the mirror off, take the door handle off, and then do what? Put it on the new door. Well, this one already has a door handle, but I have to change that so the key can work from this side. All right, so that's exactly what I'm doing today. And of course, here is the fender that's going to be on this side. So of course, the first step is really opening up the hood and find out all these screws, these torque screws that are here. And then, yeah, first thing I'm gonna do is just take the door off by doing that. All right, so I got this Torx 45. Go ahead and remove a piece from the door. All right, so that's out, and now we can actually push the door out. And then next thing we're going to do is we're going to remove these caps. We got some small caps right there. It's an E8 right there. And here's another one. First one, and of course the second one at the bottom. I need a handle to be able to get in here, so I can't get any special tool in there. Due to spacing here at the bottom, you'll definitely need to have one of these, a smaller ratchet that can easily fit in the space right here. All right, sit it over there. Now that we have this off and this, all we have to do is just move these safety here, and then we can slide this out of the wall. I got one of my pick tool, and what I'll do is just basically top of here and pull. There we go. So that's out, and then that's the security for this connector, and then this should just slide easily disconnected right there. All right, so as you guys can see, this just pushed down and then it secures this into the wall. Now that we have that disconnected, the only thing left to do is just basically lift the door off. Cajun, me ayuda aquí un segundo, por favor. Vamos a levantar la puerta para desconectar. Sí, this de abajo. Okay. So we're just gonna lift the door up right now and just rock it off the inches. All right, so that's it. So, okay. The whole idea is just basically stick a screwdriver behind here. This is your support. Use that to lift up so this door can come up. All right, let's try it. All right, there we go. All right, see? Now there we go. Doors in the hand. Ahí podemos sentar. Thank you. All right, so that's exactly how you separate the door from this 2013 Audi A6.